besides having a bunch of great end portal cost analysis tools, we also let you take your data wherever you need it. You can use the scheduled export feature to automatically push your data to a storage account as a CSV file. Let's go make one. We can pick a name for it. We'll call it monthly exports. Then we can select an export type. We have a couple out of the box options for you. The first is daily export of month-to-date costs. The second is weekly export of costs for the last 7 days. You can also select custom and set up any kind of export that you need. In our case, let's do daily export of month-to-date costs. Now we can select the storage account that we want to push our data to. For subscription, we'll use Cost Management Research, and then we'll figure out what storage account we need. Let's use Cost Management Exports. We'll pick a container, we'll call that Exports, and then as the directory, we'll call it monthly. Select Next, and we can see a summation of everything that we just configured. Once we hit create, our export will be available within 4 hours. So let's do that. And there you go. Here's our export. And if we jump over to the storage account, we can go to blobs, go to cost management export, and within a few hours that export will be available right here.